During fall break, we at the Chattanooga Public Library think it would be stellar to make something both pretty and relaxing, which is why this week we're going to make our own Nebula Jars. A nebula is Latin for cloud, and it is an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen, helium, and other ionized gases. Originally, nebula was a name for any diffuse astronomical object, including galaxies beyond the Milky Way. All of this basically means that a nebula is a beautiful and often bright and colorful cloud floating through outer space. Who doesn't love that? So, we are going to make our own mini nebulas in jars that we can keep at home and shake up whenever we need some calming galaxy magic. For the nebula jar, you will need a clear jar with a tight-fitting lid, water, tempera paint of at least 2 different colors, some cotton balls, and fine glitter, or any other sparkly, light things that you want to add. First, you'll fill the jar 1/3 of the way with water. Then, add several drops of one of your colors of paint. Close the jar tightly and shake them to mix the water and the paint. Now, open the jar and add some of your fine glitter. These are going to be your stars. Stretch out and elongate your cotton balls, adding them to the water until the bottom of your jar is filled with cotton, pressing them down in the water with a stick or a utensil. Fill another 1/3 of the jar with water and add several drops of contrasting tempera paint. Repeat the paint, glitter, cotton steps so your colors start to mix and blend into each other. Now, close your jar tightly and take some time to get lost in the beautiful nebula jar you have created.